Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the setup doesn't fail mid-step. Make sure your Mac Mini runs a supported Mac OS and your iPhone is updated. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID with two-factor authentication. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and keep the iPhone unlocked and nearby. Next, open System Settings on the Mac and leave it visible. This gets you straight into the continuity camera options without unnecessary navigation or delays. You now enable and pair the feature. On the Mac, go to System Settings, then General, then AirPlay and Handoff and switch on Continuity Camera. After that, on the iPhone, navigate to Settings, General, AirPlay and Handoff and enable camera continuity so both sides accept the connection. Once those are enabled, open the Mac app you'll use, FaceTime, Zoom, or QuickTime, and choose your iPhone from the camera list. Make sure to grant camera and microphone permission when prompted so audio and video stream correctly. You finish by optimizing settings and handling common failures. Select Desk View or Center Stage from the camera menu to improve framing and composition and adjust exposure if needed in the app. If the iPhone isn't detected, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, sign out and back into Apple ID, or restart both devices. These steps fix most pairing issues. For persistent lag, plug the iPhone into the Mac with a USB cable or move it closer. This reduces interference and stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.